What negative outcomes can come from storing steel plates in a messy way in the workshop? Do your steel plates often end up scratched from rubbing against things? Is this what your steel plate looks like? Or like this, with a smooth, scratch-free surface? Ugly scratches can instantly render your new steel plate useless. You can use this method. Use our tailor-made storage solution specially designed for steel plates. Look, steel plates are neatly placed on the pallet. You can use a forklift to move these flawless steel plates anywhere you want. Then lift it to the workstation with suction cups, and those ugly scratches are gone.